Spears called the beautiful Kardashian sister, "the reason I crimp my hair now," in a new tweet. "Crimp me baby one more time." Khloé Kardashian inspired Britney Spears to pick up her crimping iron again. On Tuesday, the Toxic singer, 40, shared a tweet calling the youngest Kardashian sister beautiful alongside a photo of the reality star wearing long, curly blonde locks. "She's the reason I crimp my hair now," Spears said in the tweet. "How FN hot is that?" The pop icon admitted that she hasn't quite nailed the look yet, but "I don't see how hers is more puffy. I am working on it." The 38-year-old reality star sent the love right back to Spears, calling the Grammy winner beautiful and sweet. "I wish I could say I did this myself, but I did not." The mother of two wrote in her reply. The Kardashian star may not have crimped her own locks, but she did share a step-by-step guide for Spears, and anyone else who wants to recreate the look. "I believe it was done with a curling iron, then we combed it out, sort of backcombed it for volume and used texturing spray," she wrote. "Sounds like a lot lol." Big sister Kim also chimed in, sharing Spears' tweet about Khloé with the caption "She sure is."